Hi guys, Evan from Atlantic Outboard here. Today I'm with one of our technicians, Albie. We're here in the shop and we're going to talk about zincs. Albie, how often should people replace the zincs on their boat?
Well, Evan, this is part of our 1-year annual service, and it's part of our winterization here at Atlantic.
So during our winterization process, one of the things we do is change the zincs. On typical, how many zincs, exterior zincs, are there on an outboard?
Well, there's one that you pointed to here underneath the trim motor, and one on the lower calf plate here, right above your prop.
Okay, so definitely change those every year. And if you look right here, we on my left hand here, we have a ton of pitting and corrosion, right? So this is a sacrificial part that the electrolysis in the water eats away and basically protects the motor because the electrolysis goes after this, correct?
Yes, correct.
All right.
You'll notice that they're significantly lighter too, significantly lighter.
Yeah, I do notice that. Pretty remarkable.
Yes.
We do a ton of other things in the winterizing process too. Oil changes, gear oil changes. We'll have extra videos about that too, but for now, always remember to change your zincs. It's also very important to make sure you use OEM zincs, which we sell here at the Atlantic Outboard Parts Counter. Well, folks, you heard it here first. I'm Evan from Atlantic Outboard here with Albie. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to check us out online at atlanticoutboard.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be the first one to see all our new videos.